Hello there, my name is Ollie from 4x4 and today I have for you the 2023 single cab Toyota Hilux. Now this one here does come to you with 5,600 miles on the clock, and as you can see on that very large bed at the back we do have this fantastic upper cover. Now as I can show you, we will just pop it open nice and simply. As you can see, this does provide a much larger capacity for keeping things into the back without that worry of them falling out over the sides as well. So this does also come with cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, and also two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive and low range, eco mode and power mode to adjust your fuel usage for type of driving style. As you can see, this has a 6-speed manual transmission and air conditioning in there as well for you. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Toyota Hilux, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. Both links are in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, or if not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many, many more of our vehicles.